Hi, this is Mike Koenigs, and I'd like to give you two powerful free business building gifts just for stopping by. I'm the co-founder of Traffic Geyser, and I have more than 20 years experience marketing and promoting celebrities like Tony Robbins, Paula Abdul, Deepak Chopra, Brian Tracy, and hundreds of small businesses worldwide. And I'm going to compress time for you, and I'm going to give you some tools that have taken me decades to learn in just a few minutes. How would you like to learn how an unemployed, homeless, former Marine made $4,600 upfront cash and $2,600 in recurring monthly income in under 45 days?